Okay, this is my second tech tip, which is Wolfram Alpha, which is a search engine website that calculates and provides information about facts and data throughout the world in a range of subjects. Some of those subjects simply include history or math or science or just general knowledge about anything, as you'll be able to see later on. Wolfram Alpha can provide background information for lessons, so it can help me. It can help students by being a research engine for their projects and classwork. And then it can also provide interesting facts and data for class discussion. So if I'm looking for something while I'm teaching a lesson that a student would ask me a question, I could look it up on Wolfram Alpha and it would give me one answer with a whole bunch of connecting information that we could find interesting and talk about for the rest of the class. Now we're going to watch the how to use Wolfram Alpha video that I created. Hey guys again, I'm going to show you how to use Wolfram Alpha. So this is a search engine that has lots of different categories. As you can see as I scroll across here, different things light up so that you can actually click those and it'll bring you university with the largest enrollment. You could ask it that question. But so that's just a suggested question once the Wi-Fi works. So now it's looking for the university with the largest enrollment because I clicked it out of the common questions on the bottom. Also, this site does require a login, so you sign in with your username and password. You can create a new account. It's real easy. You can create the account, and then you can just use it as a search engine, and if it ever loads. So now it's showing us that the Community College of the Air Force has the highest enrollment, and it'll show you where it is and other stats about it. But that's not how I would use it in class. For me in class, they could do balancing equations, balancing chemical equations, and then they could do it this way, where they could just type in what they wanted to do. So let's say I wanted to balance this equation. The aluminum plus oxygen gas yields aluminum oxide. It's balanced at the 4, a 3, and a 2. It'll actually show you the structures and how they connect. It gives you the names. It gives you the enthalpy. It gives you a lot of other useful information that can help them solve problems. So I would let my students use this in class during class discussions to find this information and look it up, and it gives you great data that they can use to calculate different things. So they could take the molar mass of each of them and find the moles or the melting points, or even if they wanted, they could take the molar mass and then type in to up here the molar mass of aluminum and find it. So this search engine is very helpful. You can do math problems, chemistry problems, anything you really want on Wolfram. So I hope you find this helpful. Okay, Wolfram Alpha would be something that I could possibly see myself using in class while my students are in discussion with me. As I'm lecturing towards them and assigning them problems to do, they could look up those facts on Wolfram Alpha, as in the boiling point of water or anything like that, to find stuff to use while in class. Now, in my classroom, I'll use Wolfram Alpha to find worked out solutions, so my students can do that and so can I. Or I'll find problems, be able to double check my own work to make sure I'm not teaching my students stuff wrong. And then also it encourages students to use it for help on homework. So they can check stuff there before they come to me for help, which is going to be a great thing because then they're basically self-teaching themselves off of what I do in class. So they can learn from me in class, but when they're at home, they're at home. That way it's not relying on email and me checking my email all the time. So that's Wolfram Alpha. I'll see you on the next tech tip.